guys, it's your girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and on this channel I film about skincare, product review, supplement review, DIYs, and everything revolving around skincare. So today I will be listing, without further ado, I'll be teaching you guys, or I'll be listing some body moisturizers that are good to maintain your glowing and radiant, to give a glowing and radiant skin. Yes, like I said earlier, glowing and radiant skin. I did not say lightening. So if you're looking up to lightening your skin, this video is definitely not for you. But if you're looking for a product that would maintain your natural skin, glow it and give it that radiant look, then stay tuned and see the list of moisturizers I have on my list. The first on my list is actually the Cetaphil lotion. Yes, I'll be dropping a video. I hope I'm pronouncing it very well. This lotion is a very nice moisture. It serves as a moisturizer. Yes, apply enough of it on your skin. It serves as a moisturizer. It's helping retain moisture in your skin, and it is very mild. It's not complexion choosy, like you don't have to be light, dark, or caramel before you can use this lotion. It's a good moisturizer that can be used by any skin type. Yeah, like I said, any skin type can use this particular lotion. It is very mild. It doesn't contain any hydroquinone. It is very mild enough for all skin type. So that's the first on my list. And the second on my list is the CeraVe lotion. Yeah, the CeraVe lotion is quite expensive, yes, but it's a very good lotion as well. It's a moisturizer. It moisturizes your skin very well. You know, when you're using a moisturizer, you need to apply it very well, and even actually more than just once daily to know the effects. You should apply your moisturizer at least 2 to 3 times in a day. Yes, you should apply enough of it. Apply it generously, like the same way you, not like your sunscreen, but almost like your sunscreen. Apply your moisturizer generously on your skin. It's immediately you apply your moisturizer. Yes, if you apply it generously enough, you get this glowing effect immediately you apply it. It looks like you apply a glow oil on your skin when you apply enough of your moisturizer. So see, this CeraVe lotion is also a good lotion to give a try. My list is my Neutrogena lotion. Neutrogena lotion is actually a good lotion. I've tried it before I started skincare formulation. I tried it before. It actually darkened me, so I wouldn't advise it for a person that is very fair. Yes, because you might go darker with it. But if you're a dark skin or a caramel skin, you do not want to lighten your skin. You just want something that will maintain your skin. Yeah, it's a very good moisturizer. You can actually try out as well. It is very mild. Like I said, it has, yes, aside from the Neutrogena lotion, it also has an oil. So you can go for any of it. And the good thing is you can even go for the both. You can go for the Neutrogena oil and the Neutrogena lotion. The both works hand in hand. Yes, when you're applying oil and lotion, you apply your lotion first, then you top it up with your oil to give it that glowing effect. So Neutrogena oil and Neutrogena lotion is the next on my list. Next on my list is my Nivea lotion. The fairness lotion, because Nivea, a lot of people complain about Nivea not doing anything to them, or some people even say it darkens them. But the Nivea fairness lotion, that's the exact one I'm talking about. This is a very good moisturizer. It moisturizes your skin and it leaves it very nice and hydrated. So these are few lotions you can open for if you are a caramel or a dark skin, or you're looking to glow your skin and maintain the shade you have. You're not tampering your skin. All this lotion I just listed, none of it is going to lighten you. So if you have the lightening effect, or you want the slightest lightening effect, you're not getting that from these lotions I just listed. But these lotions will help you give your skin that glowing it wants, that radiant look. Yes, you want to have an healthy skin, then these lotions are your go-to. They are very mild, they are not too pricey, and they are very nice. So if you watch my video to this extent, and you have never come across my video before, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, so whenever I'm here, you'll be the first to be notified. And also, we do skincare training, online training, advanced training, beginner class. And the good thing about all this class is we teach you product from scratch, and we have combination class where we teach you product from scratch in the natural way, and we also teach you how to promise products. And if you're starting your own skincare brand, you shouldn't start with all these 2 tablespoons. You don't even get to know how to formulate yourself or how to come up with a formulation yourself. So if you want to get that full complete knowledge before going into skincare, we had the right blog and we had the best blog. You can give a try, and our price is too cheap to even for what you're learning. Another thing is we do rebranding. If you do not want to go through the stress of making formulation yourself, you need someone to make formulation for you, and all you do is just to resell. We had that right best brand for you as well. We help you do the stress, we help you formulate at ease, and we have a good price for all our products. You can chat the number you're seeing on the screen for more information about this. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next video. And for my returning subscriber, I feel like lying down for you right now. Thank you for keeping me and for making me come back here. I say a big thank you for making me come back here once again. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, see you guys. Bye. Peace.